easy towards entering a trade or but I feel like Market Cipher is enough for me to leisurely be doing my simple basic theory without really trying to know much about technical analysis because the script in itself it gives insight to the very direction of an asset. So it's like what kind of technical analysis should I be doing? Should I long or short, or what's happening with Bitcoin? You know, like it's like Market Cipher gives you what you have to know because trading is all about direction. So if you don't know what's happening with Bitcoin, I mean, Market Cipher literally gives you an overview. Is like if you know direction, if you know where the direction of an asset is heading towards, the script literally gives you enough, or let's say it gives you an overview of the direction. And once you know the direction, you know where price is also heading towards. So let's do a basic theory here using Market Cipher as our reference script. So on the 5th of May 2022, let me draw my vertical line here. I really don't do TA because I feel like I mean I don't really care the direction I trade. So if it's going up I trade, if it's going down I trade. So I don't really care. But Market Cipher makes it simple for me to just do basic TA. So let me push my vertical line here. On We are on the 1 hour time frame, so it's a very you know about time frames earlier on. I talk about time frames and how they play a remarkable role in trading. So a higher time frame more or less like gives us a solid insight pertaining to the very direction of an asset. So let's see what happened here on the 4th of May 2022 around, let's say, 22 o'clock. We saw a bearish movement here, right? So let's see what happened. Our candles were falling down and we registered two yellow X's here, which is a bearish sign, basically showing that there's a manipulation going on. So let's see what happened to price was falling here, and as again another bearish another manipulation sign. Look at the manipulation signs, they are enough. So it shows you what is going on literally, is the intensity of the manipulation can be highlighted using this let me repeat that again. I mean, the intensity of manipulation could be seen with the amount of manipulation signs we are seeing there, and see how price is reacting. So let's see our money flow from this side. We are around 39,000. From this side, let's say 40,000, and see how price has fell to, let's say, 30,000. So it's like, see money flow, money is exiting out of the asset, money keeps exiting out of the asset, money keeps exiting, and we've struggled. Money has been in the negative territories for far too long, from, let's say, 4th of May to the 9th of May. It's like money has been in the negative territory. So it's like there is not enough money, or there is not enough liquid to literally jack up the price of Bitcoin. So money is still hesitant. So we are bearish. That is basically normal TA for me, right? I don't really have to be using other scripts to judge or determine the direction of an asset. Once I understand liquidity, which is money backing an asset, and if there is less liquidity, means the price of the asset drops. If there is more liquidity, means the price of the asset rises. This is basic TA for me. And Market Cipher literally gives me what I have to know. So do I really have to know enough to know direction? No, I just have to know what works, or what literally determine the price, or what literally determine the direction of an asset, or the price of an asset, which is momentum and liquid. These are influential oscillators. When you're using Market Cipher to trade, these are influential oscillators. So once I understand these things, these are just basic simple analysis for me, technical analysis. I don't really have to know much. I don't really have to know enough. I just from what I know from this money flow and this my momentum waves, it's enough for me to know where Bitcoin is heading towards. It's like we broke the support, meaning there is still a decline going on, right? So Bitcoin could go further. Who knows? I can't really tell, but money is still in the negative territory. So I can confidently say, well, then we are in a bearish signs because price has been dropping. And I'm using a higher time frame as a reference time to judge or to base my analysis. So this is just basic CA. That's what I'm always saying. Market Cipher is like the best trading script for me to base my entire trading decisions on. I don't really need any other scripts out there. It just simplifies everything for me. So this is just a basic TA. This is how I'm seeing the market per what Market Cipher is saying, and it's enough for me. I mean, I don't really have to know much. I just keep it simple for you guys because trading has to be simplified. So until then, have a nice time, people.